We cook vegetables to be healthy, but depending on how we do it, we may be helping our bodies or quietly losing nutrients along the cooking process. Some individuals swear by raw vegetables. Others say cooking makes them easier to digest. Both sides are partly right, but both miss something important. Because not all vegetables respond to heat in the same way, nutrition does not follow one rule for everything. Cooking changes the structure of vegetables. Heat breaks down tough cell walls, making certain nutrients more easily accessible to your body. That is why cooked tomatoes provide more lycopene and cooked carrots release more beta-carotene. But heat can also destroy fragile nutrients. Vitamin C and some B vitamins are heat sensitive, especially when vegetables are cooked too long or are in water. Cooking does not make vegetables better or worse. It changes which nutrients survive. Some vegetables, especially cruciferous ones, including broccoli, contain protective compounds that decrease with high heat. Others, such as spinach and mushrooms, actually become more beneficial after light cooking because their nutrients are easier to absorb. The method matters too. Steaming preserves more nutrients than boiling. Short cooking times are gentler than longer ones. Additionally, adding a small amount of healthy fat helps the body absorb vitamins, such as vitamin A and K. This is not about choosing raw or cooked. It is about choosing wisely. A relaxed meal. No perfection, just balance. Several individuals eat vegetables regularly and still miss out on their full benefits. Not because they are careless, but because no one explains how preparation changes nutrition. Small changes in the kitchen can make vegetables more nourishing, not less. Cooking vegetables is not a nutritional mistake, but cooking them without understanding can be. Some vegetables are better raw, some are better cooked. The healthiest approach is often a mix of both. For more science-based, human-centered health stories, follow 72 Dragons Health, because how we prepare food matters.